when the time is right. Jesus said to her, "Did I not say to you, if you would believe, you would see the glory of God?" John 11:40. That is true, my dear friends. By this time, we would realize that when we are connected to God, when we have faith in Jesus, when we read the Bible every day, when we spend time listening to gospel music than secular music, we are being transformed. Our faith is getting stronger. And through experiences, we build and build more strength with God. That's how we see spiritual things. We cannot see things that comes from God if we do not do those things, my dear friends. That is why with firmness I can say that we can expect miracles when we are connected to God. Then you would ask me, how come there are times when I have a bad day, I don't see miracles? That means we are not what? Still connected fully to God. A Christian would see miracles every day. Spiritual eyes are open, and they would see amidst adversity, amidst problems, there is always a blessing. You know, God's timeline is different from human timeline. Sometimes we want to rush on things, we want to get these things, we want to acquire it right away. But then again, it may not be good for us. God's timing is always the best timing. God may not give you what you wanted today. It's because it will hurt you. Remember, God knows what's best for us. God will not deny our happiness as long as it is the right happiness. God knows better. Have faith. Have trust in His outcome for you. Have trust in His decision for you. Because He is far more intelligent than us. He knows the beginning from end. He knows each outcomes in our life. So it's your choice, my dear friends. It's either you guess the outcome, do it with your own strength, and end up not knowing the result, or trusting God more and see what kind of blessing or outcome He has in store for us. All I know is God is love, God is good, and He will not deny what will make us better and stronger. Have a nice day.